Next, we'll get a friendly character in our game, someone who we can talk to and who's going to give us a quest. And a quest is kind of like a series of challenges that the character wants you to complete. Maybe they need you to go find something, or they need you to go and avenge someone. Often story-based games, like role-playing games, will have a bunch of quests that you have to progress through. Once I defeat these guys and collect the health potion, maybe I should maybe I should maybe the character that gives you the quest should be down here. Okay, let's do that. So I want to find a friendly NPC. Who could I use? Well, this archer looks like he could be a friendly person. Put them down here. Oh, I've put them in the props layer, haven't I? Let's delete that. I want to put them in the characters layer. Okay. Now, let's go and add a script to our friendly NPC. This is the one that's going to talk to us and give us a quest. Okay. First of all, we don't want them moving around when we push into them, so we will say when created from events. When created, we'll disable, we'll make them immovable. So they can't be moved. We'll go to physics, and we'll grab set immovable true down the bottom of physics. Then we want to detect when they're touched, and we want to pop up a chat window. So to detect when they're touched, again, that's from physics. When I am touched, get toucher. And we want to check, was this the player that touched the friendly NPC? We don't want maybe bad guy NPCs going and talking to him. So we need an if block from control flow, because we're going to ask if the toucher was the player. And we'll ask about its tag, which is from sensing. Under tagging, we want myself has tag name. Tag name should be player, and myself should be changed to instance toucher from variables. Instance toucher. Okay. If the friendly NPC was touched by the player, we want to pop up a chat box. Now, we haven't created it yet, but we're going to set up the message that will trigger it to display, and we'll actually send some information out with this message. So if we go to events and look down in our message sending section, there are a bunch of these blocks that all do slightly different things. We want a block that says broadcast message with myself. Now that myself can be replaced with anything, and that will transmit some information along with the message. So we'll grab that block from events under message sending, broadcast message with myself. We'll grab that and put that inside the if block. And what message do we want to display? Well, the way that we're going to get this to work is we're going to have a chat box that can pop up and show any text in there that we want. So let's change message to display chat. Display chat. Broadcast display chat with myself. Well, we don't want to tell it about myself. We actually want to tell it what text to display. So we'll throw myself away. And in there, we're going to put another text block like this one or like that one. And we can find that from operators under text. empty text block. So let's pop that in there. Broadcast display chat with, and then some text. Let's make this, this is going to be the first bit of text that our friendly NPC will say to us. So it depends on how you want your game to play out. My friendly NPC is going to want you to rid their dungeon of some pesky orcs. Orcs that have been harassing them. So we'll say, can you save us? Please kill all 5 orcs. So we'll have 5 orcs that you've got to get rid of. And we're going to make it so that somehow he's going to know if you've completed this quest by killing all 5. 4 will not be enough. Okay, that's getting a little ahead of ourselves though. We need to get this display chat thing working. Because if we go and play this game now, I click play, and I haven't saved the script yet, so let's call this friendly NPC 1. We might have more. I'm going to go walk down and talk to that friendly NPC. And, well, I'm touching them, and that should trigger something, but nothing's happening. Reason for that is we're just broadcasting that message with some information. It needs to be received somewhere to trigger something. So we'll do that on our chat box next. So let's close that friendly NPC script and save our game. We'll go File, Save Game.